Wix Studio Scrolling Effect tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I am going to show you how you can add the scrolling effect into your Wix Studio website. So it is going to be a type of animation or a type of effect that you're going to add to your elements that you're going to have on your website. So the purpose of having this animation or the scrolling effect is going to be aesthetically. So I mean by that you need to have something added to your aesthetic into your website. We can go ahead and head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and after we have did that, we're going to select the Wix Studio website. Of course, you can find on wix.com Wix Studio websites and standard Wix websites. Of course, select Wix Studio. After you have loaded the dashboard, click on Edit Site. You're going to wait for the website to load up, and you're going to be on this place. So this is the website editor. Now, what we're going to do next is going to be very simple. Head over the place where you're going to be on the necessity to have a effect or an animation. For example, I can go ahead and have maybe this text. Let's check out. I'm going to select the text. For example, I can go ahead and have, this is a cell. So basically I'm going to maybe have the image. This is an image. So we are going to head over the inspector. We're going to open the inspector and click on the lightning, as you can see, icon. That is going to be called animations and effects. Once we have added this, so you can see that we have the scroll effect. So scrolling will trigger an animation. So we're going to click on add. And when you scroll, you're going to make it move. For example, you can go ahead and adapt this animation and make this move. So you can go ahead and click on publish. And you can go ahead and preview it. So basically I'm going to have it like that. Let's preview it. We're going to find if we're going to have an image, it is going to go. So the image have been, as you can see, from here to there. So it is going to move. It is not going to be something that we would like to see like that, but I think that you've got the idea here. So this is the image. I have added the scroll, so you can go ahead and set up the image as a scroll. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.